Chapter 1 Real Numbers 9th Class Exercise 1.4 Question number 4 Every surd is an irrational, but every irrational need not be a surd. Justify your answer. See answer. Pi is an irrational number. Pi is an irrational number, but not a surd. Now move to next question. Rationalize the denominators of the following. So first one is given solution. What is given? 1 by 3 plus root 2, that is equals to 1 by 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. So here is plus, here is minus. Now this is 1 into this, that becomes 3 minus root 2 by 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2. See here a plus b, a minus b form. A value is 3 and b value is root 2. So a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. This formula is used here. Now that becomes 3 minus root 2 by a square means 3 whole square minus b square means root 2 whole square. This root this square cancel, that becomes 3 minus root 2 by 3 into 3 minus 1. Now this can be written as 3 minus root 2 by 3 3 is 9 minus 1, that is equals to 3 minus root 2 by 8 is the answer of the given question. Sorry, here is I did a mistake. This is 2. So 9 minus 2, that means 3 minus root 2 by 7. So therefore 1 by 3 plus root 2 is equals to 3 minus root 2 by 7. This question we rationalize, we got the answer is this one. Now move to next question. See here solution. What is given? 1 by root 7 minus root 6 given. So in the play here is minus, we take plus, multiply and dividing with this. Here plus, why? Here is minus. So this is a rationalizing factor of this. Now this becomes 1 into something root 7 plus root 6 by here root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 here root 6 plus root 6, isn't it? Now see here, this is a and this is b. So a minus b into a plus b, that is equals to a square minus b square formula, isn't it? That formula is used here, denominator value, that becomes numerator right same as it is root 7 plus root 6 by here root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. See here root square cancel. This can be written as root 7 plus root 6 root 6 by this is 7 minus 6, that becomes answer is root 7 plus root 6 by 1, that means What is the answer? Root 7 plus root 6 is the answer of the given question. Now move to next question. Third one, this is given. So solution. So 1 by root 7. Multiply and dividing with root 7. See here. This becomes 1 into root 7 by root 7 into root 7. This becomes 1 into root 7 is 7, and root 7 into root 7 can be written as root 7 whole square. Here root square cancel. That becomes root 7 by 7 is the answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See here, in this question solution, root 6 by root 3 minus root 2 rationalize by using root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. This can be written as that equals to, this is root 6 into root 3 plus root 2 by, this is root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. This is a minus b into a plus b form. Here a value is root 3, b value is root 2. That equals to a square minus b square formula is useful in the denominator value. That equals to root 6 into root 3. Root 6 into root 3 plus once again plus is there, and root 6 into root 2. Root 6 into root 2 by, this is root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Root 2 square root cancel. See here which formula is useful means root a into root b is equals to under root a into b formula is useful here, numerator. Now this becomes under root 6 into 3 plus here also under root 6 into 2 by, this is 3 minus 2. Now 6 3s are 18, root 6 18 plus 6 2s are 12, 6 12 by 3 minus 2 means 1. Now this can be written as that equals to root 18 means 2 into 9, 2 9s are 18 plus root 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Here 9 can be written as 3 square, that is equals to 3 into 3, and 4 can be written as 2 square, that is equals to 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 square. So now this is under root 2 into 3 square plus this is under root 2 square into 3. Here which formula is useful? Under root a into b is equals to root a into root b form is useful here. Now root 2 into root 3 whole square, root 3 square, here root 2 square into root 3 as per using this formula. Here root square cancel, that equals to, this is 3 into root 2, that becomes 3 root 2 plus this is 2 root 3 is the answer of the given question. Thank you.